For project professionals looking for an affordable way to learn the fundamentals of Primavera P6 Professional, 10-6 Consulting offers the perfect option: self-paced online video training. This course offers a series of instructional videos, a downloadable exercise worksheet, and data files. This gives you all the tools you would expect to find in a traditional classroom-based course, without the need for travel or being tied to a classroom for long periods. Each video provides a lesson that covers one key subject area of P6 Professional. As you work through the course, you'll learn how to navigate the screens and layouts of P6, how to build a project schedule from the ground up, establish a work breakdown structure, create activities, and then create and assign resources to your project. Once you have a schedule in place, you'll learn how to baseline the plan and then track and report on the project as it starts to progress. Each video lesson is supported by an option to perform hands-on exercises in your own copy of Primavera P6. This will build your P6 skills and allow you to experience the tool firsthand using lifelike simulations of scheduling practices.
The 10-6 video training got me started with Primavera P6 easily, and I was able to start learning immediately with no delay.
I had to switch from Microsoft Project to P6. These videos helped me to do it quickly and easily.
If it wasn't for this video class, there was no way I could have got trained in time to start my new role as a scheduler.
By the time you complete this course, you'll be well prepared for using P6 in the real world. Developed by P6 professionals who have years of experience using the tool out in the field, we guarantee you'll find this to be an easy and affordable way to get started quickly with the world's leading project management software system.
I'd strongly recommend this approach to anyone who needs to learn P6 quickly.
Contact 10-6 today